Welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how we can perform a hard reset of your Redmi Buds 4. So first of all, you have to input both earbuds inside your case and then open it. As you can see in my case, I'm currently connected with my phone, and after hard reset, this connection will disappear. Next, you have to rotate your case and find this back button. It's right here. We have to click and hold this button until we will have right here the white light for 3 seconds. So let's do this right now together. Click and hold this button. Keep the case open. Keep holding. It's right now blinking. We have to get solid white light. Okay, right now 1, 2, 3, and we can release. As you can see right now, we got the new pairing request, and this one, it's not available anymore. We got the new pairing request, so it means that we successfully performed the hard reset of this device and previously connection just disappeared. If you have any problem with the hard reset, just remember to charge your case and earbuds inside at least to the 50%. At the bottom you can find input for the USB-C cable. And that's how it looks. That's how you can perform the hard reset of your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4 thanks to this back button. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.